Thanks Self-Haircut University for sponsoring this video. What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to another self-haircut tutorial. Today I'm going to be giving myself a number 1.5 guard lever closed buzz cut taper fade. So I'm going to be going in, cleaning up this wispy mess, cleaning up the temples, the back of my head, and then of course organizing this wolf of a beard and really tidying it up to make it look more professional and clean. Now for those of you guys that are interested in watching the full self-haircut tutorial, I always live stream my self-haircuts for my Self-Haircut University program members. So if you guys want to check that out and learn more about my program, you can do so by clicking the first link in the description down below. But with that all being said, let's jump right into this before 360. I've got the 1.5 guard with the lever closed, and I'm just gonna go in and debulk all of my head. So the entire head, we're just gonna go through with the 1.5 guard lever closed, go all the way up the sides, the top, the back. We're gonna get everything down to the same hair length using the 1.5 guard lever closed, all right? Notice how I'm changing directions right now, and it's still cutting hair. Now I can go in with my trimmer. These are the trimmers from Glaker. You guys can check them out if you want in the description down below, but I'm gonna go in with my trimmers first, put in the first guideline right in between this zone right in here, and I'm gonna create kind of like a rainbow shape as I'm going up for each guideline, going up my temple. So now I'm going to go in with my clipper no guard, lever open, and I'm just going to go up about maybe 1/2 inch, just following the same shape as this first guideline. And so now I'm just going to go in and put the lever in the halfway position and then close the lever completely, followed up with the trimmer to completely remove the bottom hard line. Okay, so I'm going to go lever halfway, about halfway up, and then soften up the hard line with the lever closed, and then use the corners of the trimmer or just the flick out motion right at the line to remove the hard line completely. So now I'm going in with the 1 guard lever open, and I'm going to do the same thing going up about ½ an inch from the previous guideline. All right, and we're still going to try and keep the same rainbow shape. So now you can see it's actually starting to blend in with the current hair length on the sides, which is really nice, so it makes it easier to blend. So now we're going to go in with the half guard lever closed, and we're just going to touch up this little hard line right in here in between the 1 lever open and the no guard lever open. Short strokes, nice and tight. All right, keep it nice and tight like a tiger. So now we're pretty much done with the temples. I'm gonna go in and fade the beard in real quick before I go ahead and start the back. So let's go no guard lever open. Slowly close the lever. Freehand just a tiny bit. Close the lever slightly. Hey everyone, it's Alex Kouras, and I just wanted to let you know that I finally finished the massive update for my self-haircut program with 100% all brand new and exclusive lectures only for SHU members and a whole bunch of other benefits and lessons that are designed to help you guys learn how to cut your own hair in a fraction of the time and with a fraction of the mistakes. If you feel like you need a more formal way of learning how to cut your own hair, check out my self-haircut program and see if it aligns with your haircutting and financial goals. I've poured over 15 years of my own self-haircutting fails and successes into this program, and I know you'll love it because I'm really happy with how it turned out. So if you want to learn more about my self-haircut program, check it out using the first link in the description down below. So now comes the tricky part where you have to use your trimmer to arch your arm around your back and start to do very precise movements on the back of your head. We have to bring the mirror out a little bit more, rotate it in a little bit more, like 60 degrees, 70 degrees, and just go up about ½ an inch for each guideline. Let's go up with the no guard lever open. So we're using the same exact sequence that we did going up our temples on the back of our head. So we've got no guard lever open, going up about ½ an inch. And now I can go in and start to gradually close the lever to fade out this hard line. So we're going lever halfway. Now we can go in and close the lever. Now let's go in with the one guard lever open, go up another ½ an inch. So let's take the one guard off and let's go back to the half guard lever closed. Let me go back with the one guard, run through it one more time. Let me go in with my thinning shears, and let's just clean up any hard lines like this one and any other dark spots that we see. Let's go in and start fixing up the line. Let's go around my ear. So before I go in and fix up my forehead line, I just want to go back in with the one and a half guard lever closed and make sure that it's all the same length. So this is the 1.5 guard lever closed buzz cut taper fade self haircut. You guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the results of this haircut. Do you think I could have done a little bit better in certain parts, or do you think I did a really good job, or do you think I did a terrible job? Let me know your thoughts down below, as well as any other self haircuts you'd like to see me try out in a future video. And if you're interested in any of the tools that I use and that I recommend for self haircuts, you can check them out using the first link in the description down below, as well as my self haircut program, Self Haircut University, which is my program that I've designed to be very professional, to the point, and help you get started to cut your own hair with less mistakes, faster results, and start saving money as soon as possible. But if you guys did like today's video, make sure you leave a like and share it with a friend. Click on the subscribe button down below, as well as click on the post notifications to never miss a brand new self haircut tutorial. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's self haircut tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!